epic! My leg is starting to cramp.
Hey, it's me, Toni-Lee. I'm going to be doing Weekend in My Life. It is the first snow and it is gorgeous, like big fat flakes are coming down and I'm just so freaking happy. It's the first snow here in Maine for 2023 and it's looking epic. I am going to just finish up work and then I'm likely going to go head to the beach, try and get some good shots, maybe fly the drone around and just have a nice good snow day. Like, it's so epic. I'm gonna take you guys out in the snow. If you don't live somewhere where it snows a lot, here you go. footage, flying the drone around. That's what you just watched. It was so freaking epic. And I ended up stopping by the marsh as well and doing some clips. I just learned so much about that. That's what's so great about just taking the time to use a new tool that you have, you know, is actually taking the time to go and use it and to just learn and fidget and do all those little things. You don't always have to just go and watch a video of somebody else doing it. It's often, I find, better if you do it yourself. And so that is the snow for the evening. It is still snowing. The roads aren't looking that good, but we are gonna head up north a little, like 20 minutes. It's Griffin's cousin's 6th birthday, and so we're gonna have some pizza and hang out with them. I have not seen his uncle's new house, so I'm really excited to see their house. Apparently they have these huge floorboards from like trees, like you can see the planed like fat tree. So I'm really excited to go over there and see their floors. I don't know what tomorrow will bring. Griffin said he wants to go to Q Street, so we're gonna go to Q Street tomorrow morning for breakfast, and then who knows what the day will have in store, because the snow, honestly, not that it drags, but it can cause the roads to be horrible and not good and not safe to go out in. And so we may just stick around here, walk around. Maybe it'll be cold enough that we could go skate. I don't know. I don't think so. The ponds really aren't that frozen anymore. It got cold, they froze, and then it got really hot and they melted, and now, yeah, we're stuck. It is day, is this day 6? Yeah, you'll go with Adrian. Gonna go to Q Street after, bye. Q Street, Q Street, Q Street. Welcome to the Q Street Diner.
Cream of blue shop. You're looking at me picking my bushes. I think this is the bread.
Yeah, it is. We just got back from Q Street. It was delish. That is our favorite breakfast spot because it is so yummy and delicious. But we are just gonna hang out here for a bit, and I think we're gonna end up going surfing, so that will be really fun. We need to go and get Griffin some mittens because he doesn't actually have mittens. He just has, literally doesn't have anything. Gonna have a surfing day. We're on our way to the surf shop to get Griffin some mitts. Lobster ones. That's what you want, right? The lobster ones. Let's see what they got. We also know that they have a like coat hanger here that we want. So we'll see. We're going to Maine Surfers Union, which is the surf shop that is downtown. Sometimes we'll go to Black Point, but this one's downtown. It's pretty new. It's nice. And I think it's a goodie. We came, but so Maine Surfers Union is on a hiatus. Probably surfing somewhere. Are you kidding me? So we're gonna go to Black Point because they open at 11 and it's 10:48. So yeet! Hiatus.
They're hiating. And you just kind of had to.
That's what I'm saying. What if there was a train that popped down into Portland and took you to fucking Rangeley and you... Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're here at the Higgins doing some surfing. How is it, Griff? They're like little baby waves, but I think, yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm about to go out there, do some surfing, and then I'm gonna come back, grab the thing, like access go, and get some beds. I think it'll be fun. Good little surf. It's nice little size, but Griffin and I switched boards because he is more buoyant on the foam board, and I actually caught a lot of pretty good waves on Julia's board, so that's exciting. Rode them on my knees, but now I'm gonna go head in and play with this little toy. The drone was so fun. I'm gonna try and maybe see if Griffin will go down the beach a little way, because the waves are better this way and I can see them up there, but it's so hard to see out there. The tide is going out, so you're starting to see the rock more, and now you can tell like actually what side is good and which one isn't. So hopefully, oh, I think that's him. I honestly have no idea. Let's go get in the water. Pretty fun being out here. It was fun being out here.
A new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. Unknown man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. My way.
Okay, that was epic. My leg is starting to cramp. So I'm gonna head in. That was really fun. The water is really nice. And it's just a gorgeous day out here, so happy to be alive. I have absolutely no idea what time it is, but it really doesn't even matter because there's nowhere to be.
Very swag.
Really swag.
Throw your booties in there.
We were super hungry when we got back, so we made some pizza rolls, as anyone would do. Quick snack. You good? Or they need like another minute? We did order Veranda takeout for dinner. I did pay for this, so Griffin bought breakfast and I bought dinner. Yeah, it was a lot of eating out, but that's okay. Oh, wow. You love Griffin. Yeah. I always wake up really early, and this Sunday I decided to go and take the drone and fly it over the marsh. So enjoy these last little clips, as our Sunday was super relaxed, and this was really all that I did.